Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to reset all settings on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is open up your settings. Once you're there, just scroll down to General, then scroll down to the very bottom till you see Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on that, and here you can see Reset option, so just tap on that also. And there at the top of this menu you will see Reset all settings, so simply tap on that. You will be prompted to do a Face ID or passcode. As you can see, this will pop up, and for you to confirm it, just tap on Start Security Delay if you have this, and you will need to wait for 1 hour, and you will still be able to use your iPhone during this delay. Turning off or restarting iPhone will restart the delay. That's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.